It is still recording. Hello everyone, so my name is Ben. I do the object detection on the current drone. So the current drone right now is the GEPRC Cinelog30 V3. So it's a very small drone, nothing very complicated. And it's using the DJI O4 system right now. It could fly for like good 5 minutes, so that's enough for me to test things out. And you know, for this system to work with, I'm going to put it, laptop, because DJI is very limited on how we can share live video feed with, let's say, laptop, PC, or Android, I think, because they have an app for Android. That's why I remember. So what I did is I have my phone here using DJI Fly app. I connected to my goggle and then I stream. I'm broadcasting whatever I have on my phone to my laptop, and then I capture the part of the laptop screen, and then I'm using YOLOv8n in order to analyze that portion of the screen for object detection. So it sounds like a lot of steps, but let me draw you a diagram so it's a little bit easier to understand. So yeah, that is how I'm doing it right now. And if you need like a tutorial for all of these, please let me know down in the comment below. If you guys want it, I will make it. Alright. It is still recording.